Hi everyone. In this video I'll teach you how to create a modern clipping mask poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. First, go to the rectangle tool and draw a long vertical bar. Apply the black color to it. Hold the Alt button and drag for a copy of it. Press Ctrl+D for repeat. Select the second rectangle from the top and compress it. Select the next rectangle and press Ctrl+D twice. Repeat the process. Then go to the File menu and Place. Select the image and click on the Place button. Select the Reflect tool and hit Enter. Choose Vertical. Right-click on it, Arrange, and Send to Back. Select the image and first rectangle, right-click on them, and choose Make Clipping Mask. Go to the Direct Selection tool and adjust it. Select the image, go to the Edit menu, and copy. Again, go to the Edit menu and paste in front. Select the Pen tool and trace the face. Select the shape and image, right-click, and make a clipping mask. Place the second image with the same process. Follow the process. Now, create a rectangle of artboard size. Apply a gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Right-click on it, arrange, and send to back. Place the logo here. Now it's time to add text to the design. Follow my text settings. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.